Today we are talking about tools every content creator needs. As content creators, we realize that they're just tools that really make our work easier. First tool, and I think all of you use it, is Canva. When I used to use Photoshop, I used to see that there's so much extra effort I need to create simple graphics. But on Canva, it's a very intuitive app. You can be able to create so much artwork and so many posters or social media posts. I used to use PicMonkey before, but I've noticed that Canva is just easy. It really just works. It has lots of functionality. It's amazing. I'm not yet using the premium Canva. I was using it last year, but for this year, maybe I won't use it because I don't really need to create all those graphics. But Canva has really helped me in creating so much. If you haven't used Canva, just try create graphics, create social media posts, and you will see how they'll change the game for you. The next app is Notion. I discovered Notion in September 2021, and this tool has been amazing. I have raved about it. I have been writing about it on Twitter. I even did this TikTok on Notion, and I really, really love Notion. It's made me plan my life easily. It's made me plan my content easily, and it really puts things into perspective. If you haven't checked Notion, just go on YouTube and just look for Notion videos. You will see how creatives all over the world are using Notions to create content calendars, to plan their content, to plan their blog posts, plan their editorials, plan their to-do list and weekly goals. Like, that app is amazing. I also want to talk about the third tool. If, let's say, you find Notion is not really working for you, you can also use Trello. I've been using Trello for years. It has helped me a lot as well with creating content. It has helped me divide my months. If you know about the Artist Fire system, which I talked about in this video, the Artist Fire system is where you divide your content on months. So in 1 month, you'll be talking about this type of content. On 1 month you'll have a theme or a topic. So let's say in month 1 you're talking about blogging, month 2 you're talking about content creation. So in Trello you can be able to put in the months and see them. It's very visual, it's very board based as well, so you can move from doing to done, and you can be able to have everything about your life on Trello. I even used to have my grocery lists on Trello. I have my shopping list there, my workout, my meal plans, my menus. It's actually a really amazing app, but Notion has definitely replaced it. But yeah, I still kind of use the two of them together. The next one is Unsplash. Unsplash is a nice place where you can get free to use images. I love the bank of photos they have there. Yes, some photos have been overused, like you'll see the same photo being used by 600 brands. But the key is to dig deep into Unsplash. You'll find amazing images that you can use that are royalty free. And you can read about their license. I think their license allows you to use it also for commercial purposes, to modify the image. So I really love Unsplash, and it's just a bunch of artists who's given their photos. Because I use people's photos so much, I've also given away photos I've taken for other people to use for free. So also consider, if you have photos that you don't need, you can also upload them on Unsplash for other creatives to use. The next app is Pinterest. I really love Pinterest when it comes to creating content, and I love it for brainstorming on content pieces. So for example, if I'm using the Artist Fire system, which is where I plan themes for every month, maybe there's a month where I'm talking about, let's say, blogging, and I've exhausted every topic there is. I go to Pinterest and I just look at blogging tips, and I can be able to find different content pieces. Pinterest allows people to just include infographics, photos, quotables, and so many other things. So with such, I can be able to brainstorm on the topics that I'm using. It also gives me topic ideas. It helps me also learn how to showcase my content. It gives me ideas on how to use Canva templates. Like, Pinterest is an amazing app, and I have different boards for different things I want to do. So that's also a nice app for also brainstorming and also coming up with content ideas. The next app is Grammarly. As a content creator, you will notice that written content is integral to your whole content creation process. Even if you create videos or audio content and you feel like, oh, I don't need this thing, you definitely need Grammarly, because when you're writing your scripts, or when you're writing blog posts, or even when you're writing show notes of your podcast, you will definitely need to make sure that they are very well edited. Even when you're sending pitches to brands, you will make sure that everything is grammatically correct. There's nothing as off-putting as when somebody is pitching something to you and they've done a bunch of grammar mistakes, spelling errors, and you can already tell that even when they're pitching, or even when they're doing their work for you, they won't put in the time, because there's nothing as bad as writing a wrong pitch to a brand, or writing something bad, or saying you're a top blogger, but when I go to read your text, they're really not edited. They have spelling errors, they have context errors, like they have so many grammar errors. So consider installing Grammarly. You can use the premium one. Premium one works for me, or you can use the free version. You can even include it as an extension on your Google Chrome, and it's amazing. It really just edits your writing as you go. Anyway, guys, those are just some of the tools. Obviously, there are more. I will link a resource that I share down below so that you can be able to see other tools that every content creator needs. If there's a tool that I left out that is changing your life, please let me know down below.